Some stuff that is really important for us to cover. First one, and for my OGs, I know, I get it. You've covered this before. It's important to cover it a lot. Is everybody okay with the Easton University closing system? With the closing system, what you say to close it. And you're okay with mirroring, John. You've got mirroring down. John is the master mirror. But closing system. So I'm going to review it real quick here. We can talk through it if you want to talk through it on your end. But it's important to just kind of drill this stuff in on a very regular basis. Closing systems. It's 2 questions. First one being, does it make sense to blank? Second one being, what's a good next step? And then there's some derivations of that, what's a good next step. So if you are selling flooring, right? The does it make sense is, does it make sense for us to do the flooring on your next project? Right? Now notice, you're not asking them to do anything. You're not putting any pressure on them. You're literally asking them if they think it makes sense. Why is all of this important? It's important for 2 reasons. 1, it's not pushy, it's not manipulative. People are more likely to do the things you want them to do if it's because of their own reasons, which is why we want to ask them if they think it makes sense. Also, this is not an end-all, be-all, all-or-nothing request. Hey, do you want to do your flooring for us? Look at how bad that sounds, right? Because I'm not even used to unskillful. I can't even unskillful close at this point because I've been closing skillfully. So, hey, do you want us to do the flooring on your next project? The reason being is, with those traditional garbage closes, not only are they all or nothing requests, but when do they happen? They typically happen at the end. 5, 6, 7 meetings, 2 calls, 10 calls, an hour into the call. If it's the first call, which it's mostly not, that close doesn't happen, right? Now with this system, does it make sense for us to do the flooring on your next project? You can do that when? All the freaking time, right? So when you have a first call with them, hey, does it make sense after you've taught, and we're going to talk about what you're going to talk about in the beginning of that call here in a second, but after you've had any good conversation, does it make sense to blank? Does it make sense to get you access to the sales coaching? Does it make sense for us to do the flooring on your next project? Does it make sense for us to build that app for you? No. Got it. What's a good next step then? I'm not sure. Point the question at yourself. What's a good next step for me? Or what's a good next step on my end? If they still say, I don't know, which they won't, because people like to boss other people around, then you can set a next step. You've earned the right to set a next step. That sounds like this. Does it make sense to get you access to the sales coaching? No. Got it. What's a good next step then? I don't know. What's a good next step for me? Matt, I just don't know. Hey, makes perfect sense, John. It's Thursday. How about we do this? I'll call you Monday at 2 p.m. if I haven't heard from you before then. Fair enough? Okay. Right? What's the worst that's going to happen on that? They're going to go, well, Monday doesn't work for me. I'm going golfing in Phoenix. How about I call you tomorrow then before you leave for Phoenix? Yeah, that's much better. They'll give me a few minutes to think about it and we'll talk then. But guys, make sure you're practicing your closing system, right? Does it make sense to blank? And you can use this close for advances. I don't want you to advance when you don't think you need an advance. And what do I mean by that? An advance is all the little things that need to happen in order for you to get the sale. But here's what you're paying me money as your coach to tell you, because I keep it real. Most of the time when you're doing all of those little things that you need to do before the sale happens, many of them don't need to be done. I'm going to repeat that because it's important for you to understand. Just because back in 1971, there was a customer that pushed back on you guys and needed a demo, needed a case study, needed a meeting, needed a lunch and learn, needed a Zoom, needed you to present to their CIO, does not mean that every damn customer for the rest of eternity needs to do that. Which is why I want you to close. Does it make sense to get our software installed? No. What's a good next step then? What we'd really like you to do is present to our CIO. Fantastic. Does it make sense for me to present to the CIO tomorrow? Yeah, that works actually great. You can do it at 3. Awesome. I'll see you at 3. Right? Don't go, hey, does it make sense for me to present to your CIO? Because the last customer did that. So go for the close. But let's just say you go for the close, they push you back, they want you to present to the CIO. You say, does it make sense for me to present to the CIO this week? They're like, I don't know, blah, blah, blah. Then you can do your Does it make sense for me to present to the CIO? If a couple weeks go by and you still haven't presented to the CIO or the spouse or whoever the hell it is, the other business partner, whatever the situation is, and now you're following up, which we're going to talk about follow-up in a second, don't put yourself back in that damn hole. Just because you guys get put in holes, you need to talk to my business partner. You need to present to the board. You need to do this. Don't now have your close be, oh, present to the board. Does it make sense to get you guys access to the software? Say the close again. As we had talked about, you need to present to the board. Let them remind you of the hole. Hi, you're in a hole. Let them tell you you're in a hole. Don't be like, I'm in a hole, right? And just go for the close, and then they'll be like, you need to present to the board. Oh yeah, exactly. Does it make sense for us to get that set up this week and then go right back to it? Okay, that's your close. Is everybody comfortable with this? Has everybody been using this? It's huge.